I'm so excited to film this video. I've had all of these packages sitting right here, staring at me, teasing my one daughter who is begging to open these packages. But I wanted to film an unboxing video. This is the last of my curriculum, and I'll be sharing all of what curriculum picks we choose and all of that fun stuff, but this is the last bit of it. So most of these are from eBay. I know this says thrift books, but these all came from eBay, and then obviously the box down below came from Christianbook.com. So first, let's get into this one. I know people like to buy from thrift books. I personally have never had much luck getting anything cheaper there. Like I said, I go to eBay for pretty much all my used book. I even got some consumable curriculum from eBay this year, and I was quite excited because it was much cheaper than like Amazon or Christianbook or the actual company website. Okay, so first I have Tree of Freedom. This is going to be for one of my daughters. Well, she will read this next year for her history. And what is this? Victoria, Portrait of a Queen. Oh wow, this is quite large. One of my daughters will be reading this as well for her history. Okay, I looked at some samples of this. I didn't know what it was gonna look like, so I'm excited to actually get through this. And next we have, she's gonna be excited because she knows that this two are for her. Next we have, ooh, Trial and Triumph. This was recommended by one of you viewers. I asked a couple months ago in my curriculum I'm considering video, I wanted to do just like a general survey of church history, kind of just an overview, and I got so much good feedback, and I looked into all of them and I wanted to get pretty much everything but I had to narrow it down. So I narrowed it down to two things. One is backordered, and it is coming, it's just not here today. And then this one, Trial and Triumph. So we will read this as part of our church history next year. I love doing it. I should do unboxing videos more often. They're so fun. I get impatient, and as soon as it comes, I just want to open it myself. I don't want to wait. This one is 240 vocabulary words every kid needs to know. So this again is consumable. There's writing on the first couple pages. It's just to be expected. I got it quite cheaper. And so it doesn't bother me. It's a little dented. It'll be okay. We're gonna roll with it. This is his story, Handwriting. Exploring handwriting through U.S. geography, super successful cursive. So this is going to incorporate geography as well as cursive, if you couldn't figure that one out already. So it's going to just give like little facts about states, and then it's going to, like this is the state of Kentucky, so it's going to have you do what's the capital city. So you're going to be able to, they're going to be able to have a good amount of American geography, US geography, and then she's gonna do it in cursive. So I got this one on eBay, and it's brand new. I mean, it looks beautiful, practically brand new. Children of the Storm, this will be a historical fiction for one of my girls. And then Spanish one, Abeka, look at this thing. Well, it's quite large. Okay, got this one. Ooh, there's a lot in here. Exciting. Okay, we have the Jungle Book. Ooh, look at the cover, it's really pretty. By Rudyard Kipling. We have The Runaway Children. I don't think I'm going to use this one as like a required reading, but my daughter wanted it. She asked for it, so I got this one. This is Pippi Longstocking. So here someone wrote $8. I did not pay $8 for this. I don't pay any more than like $3 or so, $3 or $4 on eBay. We have Babe the Gallant Pig. So cute. Can't wait to read these. And then we have, this was a request for my daughter. She asked for this one. This is Felicity Saves the Day. This is American Girls. So maybe she'll get into American Girls. I don't know. The American Girl series. I'm not sure. But she asked for that one. Next one is Fever 1793. This will be a required reading, historical fiction for next year. This one, you guys, how have I been homeschooling for 7 years? Are you even really a homeschooler? If you have not read this book, Teaching from Rest. I have been trying to be like lazy and just listen to it on audio, but my library does not have it. So I just finally broke down and bought it. So I will be reading this one. I've read several homeschool books, but I just feel like this one is one of the top one that's recommended. So I'll report back and see what I think about it. I don't know if it really matters, my opinion, but you know, curious what all the hype is about. We have sentence diagramming, beginning. This is from the Critical Thinking Company. This is grades 3 to 12. They have 3 different groups, 3 different levels of this. So we got beginning, and again, this is from eBay. It's in perfectly good condition, not a scratch on it. It looks brand new. And again, bought for much cheaper. We have Math Minutes, grade 6. You could probably figure out who that's for if you've seen my channel before. Again, perfect condition, nothing, no writing in it, nothing like that. We have Winnie's Great War. Winnie the Pooh was based on a little bear from World War I. So I'm gonna assume this is the same kind of iteration of that. We read something a little bit similar to it. Next we have Jump In. One of my girls will be using this next year for her writing. It's middle school composition, and this is a consumable book. I'm just looking to see here. There's nothing written in it. So this again looks brand new, perfect condition. This one is Introduction to Composition. This one, the first page is bent. One of my girls is going to be doing this next year for composition. But yeah, there's no writing in it or anything like that. And so this still looks really good. And then we will do Christianbook.com. Goodness, USPS like gave me this book or this box. It's a little banged up. But I will say Christian Book does ship pretty quickly. Like I usually get everything pretty quickly. So I can't complain about that. Their shipping is much faster than some other curriculum companies shipping. Okay, then we have Math Minutes 8 for my 8th grader. We have, what is this? Oh, okay. I forgot about this. Last year, I shared in a unboxing, a Christian book unboxing. They have these, it's $10. It's called like a surprise box. I'll put a picture of it so you can see what to look for when you search it. And it's just 10 random loose articles. You don't know what it is. Last year it was like some coloring books, and it's all for all ages, boys, girls, toddler, all the way up through like middle school and high school. And so that was really fun to see. So some of these things that are going to come in here, there should be 10 total, and it's $10. I don't know what it's going to be. So if you see my face and I'm like, what is this? I didn't order this. That's what that is for. And I totally forgot about it until just now. So this is Goliath Must Fall, Winning the Battle Against Your Giants. This is by Louis Giglio, which we really like his, we've read a lot of his devotionals, like for kids. So yeah, I haven't heard anything about this, so I will have to like check in to make sure it's actually like solid. If you know about this, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll for sure read this, and maybe if it's good, it's for young readers, so I'll give it to my daughter, one of my daughters to read. Okay, next is Wordly Wise Level 8. Next one, some of you guys are gonna freak out a little bit. We have IEW. How long have I been homeschooling? 7 years, going on 8 years. I've never used IEW before. We're using it this year, next year. And I'll explain why. We're gonna be doing co-op, and writing will be part of our co-op. And so one of my daughters will be using IEW because that is what is required. So that's that. Next we have Stand Strong, 10 Inspiring Men of God. This is one of those books that they added in. This is just like a board book. I feel like this would be good for, you know, kindergartners, first graders, just something real easy. This was, my daughters are in 3rd, 5th, and 7th. So this probably won't hold their attention, but it'll be good for younger kids. The Best Birthday. This is another one of those that were just added in. This is a board book. I'll keep this for my little one who's almost 2. We can keep these for when she gets a little bit older. How cute. These pictures are really pretty. Next one is 3-minute nighttime prayers for teen girls. Oh, cool. I have a teenager, a freshly turned 13-year-old. So she does devotions at night. She'll either read her Bible and or like a devotional. And so I can give this to her and I know she'll go through it. So I will definitely save that for her. This is the answer key to Worldly Wise. Please get yourself an answer key and make your life so much easier. They're like $5. Next, it looks like the rest is just the, yeah. So we have Baby Einsteins. These are like little books. It looks like or not little books. It looks like they're little like flashcards, and then you would attach a little ring to it and then you could go through. So like S is for school, G is for gull. Those are cute. I will use those with my 2-year-old, almost 2-year-old. Oh, how cute. What is this? Dooley and I can't read what that says. I don't know. It's a little cute little cartoon and it's a DVD. How sweet. This is called I Am Brave, Devotions, Questions, and Quizzes for Brave Girls. Aw, perfect. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, if we'll do it in our homeschool or if I will give this to one of my girls to do for like a personal devotions. I think I might give this to my 11-year-old. This looks cute for her. I think she would like that. That looks like it's up her alley. Okay, the next one is Bible Fun 2-in-1. This is just, just little different activities. Perfect for like the car, or if you're waiting for an appointment or something like that. We will definitely keep that one. Next one is How God Grows a Strong Boy. So I don't have any boys, but if you have boys out there and you want to get this box, you will get one of those. I'll probably just give this to someone who has boys and then they can use it. And then this is 3-minute bedtime devotional for little hearts. So this is going to be, obviously for younger kids. And then I was at some garage sales this weekend and I always love to see what books they have. Like I get so excited to see if I can find good deals on books. Now on eBay, I pay like $3 or $4 for a book. At garage sales, I won't pay any more than like 50 cents or $1. So I got 6 books and it was $2 for all of them. So they were like 33 cents a piece. I got The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. This is the full unabridged version. I think we have the abridged version, but I got that one. Now I got these for future. I'm aiming high. We'll see how these go. This is Shakespeare, Much Ado About Nothing. So this is like the full unabridged play. I have a couple of abridged elementary level, middle school level Shakespeare, and so maybe when we're in high school, my daughter might read this one. This is Macbeth. So full version of that. Then I got Winnie the Pooh. Cute. This has been kind of on my radar to get this one, the full-length novel of Winnie the Pooh. Then we listened to this one this year, The Best Christmas Pageant Ever, but I think one of my daughters for co-op is going to have to read this next year, so I just went ahead and got it. Again, it's 33 cents. We really like this one, so I don't mind having the hard copy. And then, oh, look at this one. Days with Frog and Toad. I got this one for my little one who's, again, not even 2, but she's going to read at some point, and so she can read this. So I've gotten so many good books over the years at garage sales and, again, through eBay. Sometimes the eBay will have like buy 3 get 1 free, so it's basically 25% off and it's always free shipping. And so I got a lot of my I got a lot of my resources and books and things like that. Thanks so much for watching. This was a fun video. Not all videos are like super fun to make. Some are hard to make because they're not going to be popular. Like you say controversial things and things that you feel like, people are going to not be happy hearing. But this one was so much fun. So again, most of this was from eBay. Check there because you will get a good deal on pretty much any curriculum you can find. I don't want to say everything, but yeah, eBay is a good one. And then I like to get Christianbook.com. I've been buying from them for years. I really enjoy supporting them, Christian company. And so if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel for more homeschool curriculum videos. And I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.